Hi, I'm here to record this video and it's going to be very short. First, there was a name that came up and said Tinkanuer. When I was in Kenya, I worked so hard to eliminate this word or this name Dinkanuer. And I used to tell people we don't have Dinkanuer. We have Nath or the Nuer people. Martin Elias Lomaro came and talked and said Nuer counties are hostiles. Where did he get this? He get from the syllabus, from the book that is moving all over social media since yesterday. Thanks to Anne Garwich. If it was not because of her, this drama will have gone on for a very long time. Our children's minds are being poisoned from school, telling the whole South Sudanese, including all other foreigners that are studying in South Sudan, that Nuer are cattle riders and Nuer they are hostiles. And now I come to understand why are Nuer people hated. It's because of this nonsense that is being taught in school in the name of syllabus. And to me, all the ministers of education we ever had in South Sudan, we had never had a minister of education. Thank God I did not study in South Sudan. Including Professor Akech. You saw what he said before during the drenching issue. And he called the Nuer people animals, the people of Bentiu. I'm here to remind you one thing. If the power today belonged to President Kiir, and all this nonsense are written and they are being taught in school, and then the whole system, starting from schools, from churches, organizations, anything that exists in South Sudan need to be rechecked. The history need to be rewritten again. Imagine teaching people, children, very innocent, that this tribe, they are thieves, they are cattle riders, they are hostiles. And their women usually bless them so that they can go and steal cows, surely. And a teacher is teaching this to students. And even the Nuer children that went through, and you could not even go home and discuss it with your parents. And even these teachers who are teaching history, you could not even make it like a case study. Like something that can be discussed in these dialogues that are being done by, I don't know, some organizations in the name of cattle riding. They want to... What is really happening to South Sudan? We have a lot of work. Imagine if such thing can be taught into books, and now Elias Lomaro want to bring it to the public, because after it's already put in the mind of the children in school, now you want to bring it to the public. And lastly, I want to send this message to the Nuer people. You need to fix South Sudan. You Nuer tribe. I will not go to any other tribe. I want you to fix South Sudan. Because brains that came up with those syllabus cannot fix South Sudan. Such brain that came up with those books cannot fix South Sudan. Such brains cannot fix South Sudan. Thanks, Anna Garwich. Thank you, sister. South Sudan is our country, and it's our duty to fix it. Now I understand where all this hatred towards the Nuer society come from. It's come from all this nonsense. Imagine. Wow. So are all the South Sudanese that are those who have studied in South Sudan, can we say that they are safe for South Sudan development? No. Because they study, they grew up. We don't even know what other books are having this drama. We don't know what agriculture is saying. We don't know what geography is saying. We don't know what all this are saying. We don't know what the agriculture is saying. We don't know. So the whole Ministry of Education need to be rechecked again. Everything that is being taught from nursery school going forward need to be checked again. Because, wow, I'm just surprised. Now I understand where the Dinka Nuer came from. It came from all this drama. From that time, it continued, and up to today, it have reached to where we. I told you people, in this 2026, everything will be exposed. Nothing will be left out. And this is another one. And we will continue. All the things that have been in secret for a very long time, all of them are going to be exposed. I'm telling you, they are all going to be exposed. Imagine, how can such books be taught in school? And some organization like UNICEF is supporting education. Can they be given this book? Please get this book, Anna. Get this book taken to UNICEF. Show them this part. The kind of education in South Sudan they have been supporting. Show them. Show to UNICEF who are supporting education. And all organizations that are supporting education, you need to go and check that History 1 book. You need to go check that book. Because you are wasting a lot of resources, and the information that is being given to these children is destroying South Sudan even more. Because the Nuer will work so hard to practice to be stronger so that they can continue to write. Those who I don't even know. Wow. God. The guy that say take 1 minute of your time to fear South Sudan. Take 1 minute of your time to fear South Sudan for sure. 1 minute of your time, take it to fear South Sudan. I agree with him. I agree with him.